Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty and you are safe from coronavirus COVID-19. I am Aurobindo Chandra Sikdar, English teacher of Bhal Mirzapur Haji Jamiluddin School and College. Today I am going to take your class on grammar, class 8, subject English second paper. Today's topic is uses of capital letters or capitalization. So my dear students, at first let us learn what is capitalization. Now dear students, look at the book. And there is a passage, and you can see there are Samanda languages, and some Samanda languages are started with capital letters, and some other words are started with small letters. In English, there are some rules of using capital letters. These rules of using capital letters are called capitalization. Okay. Now, dear students, next we shall learn some features of capitalization or some rules of capitalization. Here you can see features of capitalization or rules of capitalization. বড় হাতের অক্ষরের বৈশিষ্ট্য অথবা নিয়মকানুন। রুল 1, now dear students, the first rule is the first letter of the first word in a sentence is started with capital letter. For example, the bird is flying. Here you can see the first word is the and the first letter T. Here T capital letter. Rule 2. Now, dear students, rule 2. Names of people are started with capital letter. For example, Rohim, Korim, Rina, Mina, etc. Names of places are also started with capital letter. For example, Dhaka, Gazipur, Sylhet, etc. Dhaka, Gazipur, Sylhet, etc. Names of days are started with capital letter. For example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, etc. Next, names of months are also started with capital letters. For example, January, February, March, April, etc. Okay. Next, names of rivers are started with capital letters. For example, the Padma, the Jamuna, the Buriganga, etc. etc. You can also write the Buriganga, the Brahmaputra. Next, names of mountains are also started with capital letter. For example, Mount Everest, Mount Oak. Mount Everest, Mount Oak, etc. Names of huge constructions are also started with capital letters. For example, the Shears Tower, the Empire State Building, you can also write the Eiffel Tower, etc. Now, dear students, go to rule 3. Names of organizations or institutions are also started with capital letters. Rule 3. Names of organization. Okay. You can also write names of organizations or institutions are started with capital letters or start with capital letters. For example, Sabar High School, High Court, World Bank, etc. Sabar High School, High Court, World Bank, etc. Rule 4. The pronoun I always is capital. Now look at again. The pronoun I always is capital. For example, if you come, I shall go. Here you can see I. Here I is capital. Next, go to rule 5. Names of nations are also start with capital letter. Okay, names of nations. For example, Bangladesh, British, American, etc. Okay, look again. Names of nations also start with capital letter. For example, Bangladeshi, British, American, Indian, etc. Next, rule 6. And now, dear students, look at rule 6. The main words in a title of a book or of a chapter or an article is start with capital letter. কোনো বইয়ের নামে যে প্রধান প্রধান শব্দগুলি আছে অথবা কোনো অধ্যায়ে অথবা কোনো প্রবন্ধের যে প্রধান প্রধান শব্দগুলি আছে সেগুলি বড় হাতের অক্ষরে লেখা। ওকে, নাও ফর এক্সাম্পল, Declaration of Independence. Okay, Declaration of Independence. স্বাধীনতার ঘোষণা. It is a name of a book or title of a book. Next, example. French Revolution, ফরাসি বিপ্লব. Okay, French Revolution, etc. Now, dear students, go to rule 7. Here, look, rule 7, the main words of historical events or documents start with capital letter. যে ঐতিহাসিক ঘটনা বা দলিলের প্রধান প্রধান শব্দগুলি বড় হাতের অক্ষরে লেখা। ফর এক্সাম্পল, For example, Declaration of Liberation. You can write of liberation. You can also write French liberation. French liberation as the same example. Etc. Now go to rule 8. Now, dear students, letter and acronyms that stand for names or organization. Here acronyms means বিভিন্ন শব্দের আদ্যাক্ষর নিয়ে গঠিত সংক্ষিপ্ত নির্দেশক শব্দ। Listen again, বিভিন্ন শব্দের আদ্যাক্ষর নিয়ে গঠিত সংক্ষিপ্ত নির্দেশক শব্দ। That means acronym. Letters and acronyms that stand for names or organization. কোনো নাম অথবা সংগঠনের বা সংস্থার পরিবর্তে যে শব্দগুলি আছে বা যে শব্দের আদ্যাক্ষরগুলি আছে সেগুলি দ্বারাও বড় হাতের অক্ষর শুরু হয়। So we can say that letters and acronyms that stand for names or organization are started with capital letters. For example, UNESCO. UNESCO, and you know that the full meaning of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNICEF. The full meaning of UNICEF is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. And another example you can write TV, the most familiar one, television, TV, etc. Next, go to rule 9. Now, dear students, look at rule 9. Names of Almighty and related pronouns are also started with capital letters. সৃষ্টিকর্তা বা তার যে সংশ্লিষ্ট প্রণামগুলি আছে সর্বদা বড় হাতের অক্ষরে লিখতে। ফর এক্সাম্পল, Allah is Almighty and He is everywhere. Now here you can see Allah is in capital letter and its related pronoun he is also is written in capital letter. Next, rule 10. And now rule 10, the first word in quotation mark is also started with capital letter. For example, and now look at again, he said to me, go home at once. Now in reported speech you can see the first word is go, and here go is in capital letter. Now dear students, we have today discussed about what is capitalization, and we have also learned some rules of or some features of capitalization. And your home task is homework or home task. Question number 1. What is capitalization? What is capitalization? Number 2. Right. Some features of capitalization. Now look again, your home task is question number 1, what is capitalization, and number 2, write some features of capitalization. Now dear students, you will practice at home and stay at home and teach the same. Thank you very much.